Hello there. Today, we'll show you how to migrate a website from one server to another in xCloud. Ready for the tutorial? Let's start. First, log into your xCloud dashboard with your credentials. Now, from the dashboard, navigate to the All Servers tab. Here, in our example, we have a source server and a destination server named Server1. Click on Server1 to proceed. Next, click on the Add New Site button in the top right corner. For this tutorial, we are going to select Migrate Full Server from the options. Now, we'll connect the source server. We recommend selecting xCloud as the hosting provider. Then, input the IP address of the source server and copy the public key for SSH authentication. Now, head over to the DigitalOcean dashboard. Navigate to Droplets and click on the source server. Next, click on the console button on the right side, paste the copied public key and hit enter. Let's get back to where we left off on xCloud and click on Next to proceed. You will now see all the available sites for migration. Choose the ones you need and click on Next. Now, it's time to set the domain for migration. You can select either the staging site or the live site option. You can select the live site option to set up the domain and DNS. For this example, we are going to opt for a staging site and go to the next step. Finally, you will be shown the details for the source and destination sites to confirm the migration. Click on Start once you have checked everything. xCloud will now take some time to complete the migration process. Congratulations! You have successfully finished migrating your site from the source to the destination server. Click on the Site Dashboard button to check the updated site details. You can also find the updated site details from the destination server. Hope this tutorial was helpful. Like, share and subscribe to the xCloud channel to watch more interesting videos like this one and stay updated.